Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today, we're crocheting something extra sweet, a little honeycomb to give our cute bee a cozy home. This project is beginner friendly, quick to make, and the perfect match for the bee we made in the last video. For this project, here are the tools and materials you'll need. I'm using 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle for sewing. Let's begin with the brown yarn. Make a knot in a magic ring. Then work double crochets into it. But here's a little trick. We're not starting with the usual 2 chains. Instead, after making the knot, work 1 single crochet. Then insert your hook into the front loop of that stitch and work another single crochet. This will give you a clean and sturdy start for our double crochet stitches in the magic ring. Now continue by making a normal double crochet. Then chain 2. Repeat this sequence. 2 double crochets, then 2 chains. Until you have 6 sets in total inside the magic ring. When you're done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. And work a slip stitch into the very first stitch to close the round. For round 1, we're not starting with the usual 2 chains. Instead, work 1 single crochet, then insert your hook into the front loop of that stitch and work another single crochet. This counts as our first double crochet. Now, make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. When you reach the chain space from the previous round, work 1 double crochet, then chain 2, and make another double crochet in the same chain space. Repeat this sequence all the way around. 2 double crochets in the stitches, then in each chain space work 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. When you've completed 6 sections, slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 2, we'll start building the height of our honeycomb. We're working in the back loop only for this round. To make the first double crochet, start just like we did in the previous round. Work 1 single crochet in the back loop only, then insert your hook into the front loop of that single crochet, yarn over and pull through to form the double crochet. Next, work 2 more double crochets in the back loop only. For the next stitch, place 1 double crochet into the chain space from the previous round. Then in the following stitch, work a double crochet in the back loop only. Repeat this sequence all the way around. 3 double crochets in back loops, one double crochet in the chain space, and 1 double crochet in the back loop for a total of 6 repeats. When you've completed the round, slip stitch into the first stitch to finish. Here, you can see the stitches begin to turn at an angle, forming the shape of the honeycomb wall. For round 3, start with the first double crochet just like before. No chains at the beginning. Work 1 single crochet in the stitch. Then insert your hook into the front loop of that single crochet. Yarn over and pull through to complete the double crochet. Now, work 2 more double crochets, 1 in each of the next 2 stitches. After that, we're adding a front post double crochet. This means you'll insert your hook from the front around the post of the stitch from the previous round. Yarn over, pull through, and complete your double crochet as normal. Then work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this sequence. 3 double crochets, one front post double crochet, and 1 double crochet all the way around for a total of 6 repeats. Slip stitch into the first stitch to end the round. From here, simply repeat this exact same pattern for rounds 4, 5, and 6. Each round will add more height to the honeycomb walls, and you'll start to see the hexagon shape form beautifully. Once you've completed round 6, cut off the leftover yarn, leaving a tail long enough for sewing. Now grab your yarn needle, insert the needle under both loops of the second stitch of the round, then pass it through the center of the last stitch you made. This creates a seamless, invisible join. Sew your honeycomb ends neatly without a knot showing, and just like that, your honeycomb base is complete, ready for our little bee to move in. And there we have it. The first honeycomb is done. Now, crochet 2 more honeycombs using the same pattern, then join them together by sewing along the edges with your leftover yarn. Make sure all the edges are neatly stitched so it stays nice and sturdy. And just like that, our cozy little honeycomb is ready. The perfect snug home for our tiny bee friend. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. I hope your bee loves its new home as much as mine does. Until next time, keep those hooks happy and your stitches sweet. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.